Hey everyone, it's Jody Tongo with Pacific Rim Mortgage. I wanted to just really quickly give you a USDA update. We now have word that about 5 different states have put an indefinite postponement on the new redefined areas for that are USDA eligible. So what we thought was going to become effective 10/1 in those other 5 states, not Hawaii, um, are no longer going to become effective 10/1. So the question is Hawaii going to follow suit? So far, it's looking like we are trying to get that done in the state of Hawaii. It hasn't happened yet, so as of now, 10/1 is still in effect, but we still have, more than 10 business days left in the month. So I think this is very realistic that we might see a postponement on the new redefined areas, which is great news. So we will see. I will definitely keep you informed on that. The other thing I wanted to really quickly go over is that this coming Friday, September 21st, there is going to be a credit education and credit repair event. A good friend of mine, Devin Norcross, he's with National Credit Care. He's going to be coming to Topa Tower, 700 Bishop Street. It's from 9 to 10:30, and basically, I think it would be a great thing for realtors to come to and get some information on credit education and credit repair. Personally, what I try to do is if someone's not mortgage ready now, I try to show them exactly what needs to be done so that they will be mortgage ready, and then maybe 6 months, a year, however long it takes down the line, they become a buyer. So I wanted to personally invite you guys to come to this event. It's $5 for non-members, but I am sponsoring anyone that responds to this video. So anyone that shoots an email back saying yes, that they want to go, you will not have to pay the $5 for not being a member of the Hawaii Association of Mortgage Professionals. So please call me when you can, 223-2761, or just shoot me an email and let me know, and I can make sure to get you guys on the list. Okay? I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you. Bye.